Hello, I'm Ayansh and welcome to the showcase of WorkZone. It's a hard isolated schema-based, multi-tenant, subdomain driven and AI-powered HR platform. In simple terms, every company gets its own independent HR software, its own branded website and fully isolated secure data that no other company can access. WorkZone solves the core problems that modern HR team faces. Hiring is too slow and often biased. We replaced it with resume ranking and conduct the first interview using AI. Candidates usually get no response. We send selection or rejection with clear feedback. HR gets flooded with repeated questions. We provide each company its own AI policy assistant. If the AI cannot resolve it, employees raise a ticket that goes directly to the right HR person. Along with this, employees get learning tools, leave management and full self-service HR. Now let me show you how WorkZone exactly works. We support 5 roles in the platform: company owner or admin, applicants, employees, managers and recruiters. Now I will walk through the flow as the company owner. First, I sign up my company on WorkZone by entering an email and password. Right after signing up, I am promoted to provide the company's brand name, upload the logo and choose a tenant ID. This creates a fully isolated workspace for that company. Once onboarding is completed, I am taken to the payment page. I finish the payment to activate the account. After a few seconds, I receive an email confirming that the tenant dashboard has been created and is ready to use. From here, I can open the dashboard and start managing everything. This is the admin dashboard for the company owner and this is the tenant dashboard. Every tenant gets its own subdomain on WorkZone in this format: tenantid.workzone.tech. In my case, the tenant ID is Noctivegas, so the subdomain becomes noctivegas.workzone.tech. Admin can also connect a custom domain or subdomain for branding. If my company is Noctivegas, I can map the tenant dashboard to something like careers.noctivegas.me or jobs.noctivegas.me. I will link it to jobs.noctivegas.me. I just add the domain here and it connects within seconds. The admin can invite team members like managers, recruiters or employees. Applicants don't need invitation. They can simply visit the tenant site and sign up on their own. Now I will invite a few team members and set up their accounts. I'm done and now I have 4 accounts. Before moving ahead, let me clarify one thing. I have opened 4 tabs here, one for each role. The first one is for the applicant, the second one is for employees and the third one is for manager and the last one is for recruiter. I will start from the recruiter dashboard by creating a job. I fill in the job title, department and location. And here is our first AI feature that actually makes life easier. Tap on AI Enhance, give it a basic prompt and it generates the job description. Now I can tweak it, fix anything. The job is posted. Now let us apply as an applicant and also as an employee. Yes, employee can also apply to whether they want a role change or a senior position. Just tap Browse Jobs, open the details, hit apply, upload your resume and you are done. Let me do the same for employee account as well. Now let's go back to the recruiter's dashboard and refresh the page. You will see 2 applicants here. This is where our second AI feature comes in, the resume ranker. When closing a job, you enter how many candidates you want to shortlist. After the job is closed, the system scores all resumes and returns shortlisted and rejected candidates within a minute, depending on the volume. Let us close the job and set the shortlisted count to 1. The job is now closed, and within a few seconds, the result will appear. Let us check the results. Out of 2 applicants, 1 is shortlisted and 1 is rejected. We don't just shortlist or reject, we send personalized email to both sides. The shortlisted candidates gets this email asking them to complete the AI interview. The rejected candidates also gets an email and we include clear feedback on what they should improve. Now let us open the dashboard for the shortlisted candidate and move to our next AI feature, that is AI interview. I will start the interview.
Good day, Aditya Sharma. I hope you're doing well. I'd like to welcome you to the WorkZone interview. The purpose of this session is to help you evaluate your readiness and communication for real-world interviews. To begin, could you please introduce yourself and share a little overview of your background?
I can answer the question either by typing or I can use the microphone. Let me finish it and then I will come back to you. Sure, I am Ayush Yadav. I work in backend engineering, mostly with Fast API, Flask, Postgres and Redis. Recently, I interned at Annam.ai where I built modular services and scaled them to handle 500 plus concurrent users, optimized OTP flow and cut geospatial search latency by 70%.
You mentioned building modular services and scaling them to handle 500 plus concurrent users during your internship at Annam.ai. Could you elaborate on the architecture you used for these modular services and the specific strategies you employed to achieve that level of scalability? You mentioned optimizing databases by killing slow queries, fixing N+1s, and tightening indexes. Could you describe a specific instance where you ideal?
Okay, I have completed the interview and here is the report. It shows the overall score out of 100, strengths and weaknesses, a detailed assessment on whether this candidate should be hired or not, and all interview questions and their answers. The candidate can also print the report. We are done with the AI interview and on the recruiter dashboard, you can now see the updated status, AI interview completed. Let us move to the next feature, HR policy. The admin can upload all company policy from the admin dashboard. From these policies, we generate an AI-powered help desk so employee can ask questions directly to the bot instead of flooding HR or digging through long documents. Let me upload a few policies for this company. After uploading, it takes a couple of seconds to create the company-specific chatbot. We can add or delete policies anytime and the chatbot updates automatically. Now let me switch to the employee dashboard and ask a question. I can ask something like, what is the leave policy in this company and how many leaves do I have? The chatbot already has the employee's context, so it can answer accurately. We know sometimes the chatbot would not be enough, so we built a query system as well. If you are not satisfied with the answer, you can raise a query and it gets assigned directly to an HR. Let's open the recruiter dashboard and resolve the employee query. You can see the query here. We also saw the priority and AI generated summary. Now let us close this query with a quick reply. Now I will switch back to the employee dashboard to view the response. Next we have leave types. The admin can define leave types, set the number of days per year, and adjust all leave type rules. Employee can then submit leave request to their manager. Let me create a leave request. Now switching to the manager dashboard, the manager can approve or reject the leave request. Let me approve it. Now switching back to the employee dashboard, you can see the leave is approved. Next, all employees, managers and recruiter can view their profile information. Employees can also see their teams. For example, you can see that Kunal Rathi is the employee's manager, and same with the managers. They can update their profile too. Let us have the employee upload their updated resume. Next, we have AI-powered learning path for employees to help with upskilling. They can enter their goals, and the system generates a roadmap with resources and steps to follow. That's the end of the demo. We covered a lot and skipped a few smaller features in between, but this is the full picture of WorkZone. Before I close, here is the credit to everyone who built this with me. Ayansh, I served as backend lead and system architect, engineered the multi-tenant architecture, designed the database, built 50 plus production APIs, and handled complete cloud deployment. Sandesh, our front-end lead, built the entire UI end-to-end, integrated all the APIs and shaped the full user experience. Rishabh, our GenAI developer, built the AI interview assistant and the HR policy AI system. Shreyas, our GenAI developer, developed resume ranker, document generator and APIs for query and learning modules. Achaldeep, our product manager, led requirements, milestones and complete project documentation. Mayank handled client meetings and presentation. Abhishek supported UI and wireframes. Raghav handled testing. That's all from my side. Thank you and sayonara.